quite bright when you look straight at the light. Oh, I like that lens flare or whatever it is. That was good. Oh, Deerfest! Yay! Remind me never to go on holiday to a little town in North America, because what the hell? Actually, it could be in Canada. I assume it's in America. I don't actually know. I cannot remember. Post a comment if you know where Bright Falls is. I know it's a made-up place. Toilets! I could use them. Oh, another stage scene coming up, maybe? No. Right, the church. Aha! Do I need to read this? No. Oh. Well, if we're going inside... Close quarters, shotgun required. Do not take guns into the church!
I had to find the key to get the door open.
Oh. Well, this can only end badly. Ah, oh, frick! Oh, wow. Oh, hell. Oh, God. You shall not pass! Oh, God! Help! Ow. You can't walk into that, apparently. Sheriff Breaker, you are the key, apparently.
Give Pastor Howard a piece of my mind about this lock. I told him to get it fixed.
No.
Wait, I got the door open. Run for it.
Yeah. What's taking off now? God. Jesus. Oh, right. I'm gonna need to change after this, I think. Tools. Oh, yes. Can I say no to that? Lithium batteries. What was on here? Nothing. Oh, nice little church, isn't it? Lovely.
The world was changing, twisting, out of control. It was too big on the inside. He couldn't see the ceiling. Something was moving in there. He was lost. He couldn't find the exit.
Asshole.
Nice. This is weird. Yes, again. Oh. Oh, good. Yes, let's...
The shifts were getting more severe.
What
I
the
wasn't
hell?
sure if the place got bigger or I got smaller. The signal was going haywire. I would
Yeah, it
have
is.
to find my way out of here on my own. You use the blast to take out the enemies then? I hope. I can't go back up the stairs anyway. Come on, come into my trap. Oh yeah, sucker! Yeah! Ammo conservation. Yes, this is a cowardly tactic, but it's one that's working for me.
cupboard. Are you? Yep. There. I'll have them. Just wait for the... Wait for the torch to recharge, I was going to say. Right, we're saving quite a bit of ammo here. Okay, this is going well, he says. Well, I've definitely been this way. That was the beginning. Or was it the end? It's a maze of furnaces, and I daren't shine my torch upon them. Unless I want to barbecue my... Oh god. Unless I want to barbecue myself. Huh. We appeared to make it out. But then I found an alarm clock that needed got. Okay, I think we've done it. What a lovely little boiler room that was. Lots of fires. Yeah, that went quite well, I thought. I figured.
Zane left me a page. He was trying to help me.
Where is it? Where's the... Aha! Pressed the wrong button. Ah! What do I want? This wall? No, I don't want wall. Scream! Nice. Tremor. Bestseller. Friend!
Yowza!
Barry?
Football friend.
Hey, bestseller! Looking good!
You're not real.
Well, no shit. What gave me away? What,
Okay.
the see-through thing?
Yep.
I'm a figment of your imagination.
Oh,
Just like pretty
Barry's
much
the
everything
best.
else you see here. Maybe even you.
Oh god.
That's insane.
You're insane.
Yeah, you're right. Everything that happened before made perfect sense, but this is insane. Good catch, Al.
Okay, look, I gotta get going. The GPS...
The GPS, yeah, I know. Follow the signal. Got it.
Good. Follow the signal, follow the signal, follow the yellow
So,
brick road.
anywho, I'm here to help you out, pal. The
Do I
thing
get
is,
this? No.
you need to get a grip. Alright?
You nag the way the real Barry does. You know that?
Well, hey, be fair. It's not my fault you think I'm annoying.
I don't think you're annoying.
This is great.
Al, baby, relax, it's cool. Just try to stay on the ball here. You need to do what Zane tells you.
Yes.
He's been here for ages. He's like the expert.
You're the expert. Oh look, it's rubbish. Gotta catch 'em all! I'm trying to breed a shiny Eevee. It's taking forever.
Anyway, if this is insane, and it's all from
There's a
your
cat
mind,
missing.
what's that say about you?
Fine, enough. I can't believe I was actually happy to see you.
Oh, come on. Don't shit a shitter, Al. Deep down, you're always happy to see me. Can't lie to yourself, know what I'm saying?
No
You must be
idea.
a sucker for punishment.
You are.
You? No, really? And I always thought you went out of your way to avoid trouble.
Thanks for that.
Flashlight! of Doom. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, what do I kick? Oh, I kick that. I want my lantern. Give me my lantern. Yeah, boy. Okay. Recharge. These must be the batteries I've been looking for. Brilliant. I like the fact that Barry's with us. I feel safer. I've no cause to feel safer.
I think the signal's pointing towards that thing in the distance.
Yeah, that'd be the Biltmore sawmill.
How the hell do you know that?
I don't
Why
know
does it say
anything you
boom?
don't. So why don't you ask yourself that? Huh? Maybe you saw a sign for it back in the real world, or maybe it's the sawmill because I said it's the sawmill and now you can't get it out of your head.
Fantastic.
Yeah, sure has given me a headache. Or is that your headache? Do you have a headache?
Barry,
I do now.
Dude, we're bonding.
Okay, so ledges mean I can't go back. There's a horrible noise happening. What's boom?
Mama! Hey, Al! I guess the pen is mightier.
if you complete that sentence, you're fired.
Mightier than the sword.
You're
fired.
Ha!
Aww.
Predictable. Hey, I heard ring wraiths. That's scary. There's another boom going on. I don't like these black things. Oh, look, it's like ink in water. I'll wait for him to get a bit close. Okay, now. Yeah, that works. Good shooting, Alan. Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Tools! I thought I saw a dog. I was like, I am no way ready to deal with a dog. Raining ammo, yeah! There's that ring wraith again.
He could feel it coming. Not even flesh anymore. Just shadows and ghosts and thoughts slicing through his flesh. They were here. They were here.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, crap! There you are! There's another one.